All right, so this argument we can question, of course, there is a gap of some kind. Conclusion indicated by the word thus, we're not going to have water shortages unless population growth trends are mistaken because we have plenty of fresh water overall. So as a whole, lots of fresh water available, therefore no water shortages anywhere in the world. How do you think about this as a flaw? What are they failing to consider? Where is the fresh water? Where in the world is it? I'm thinking about and this is outside knowledge, but outside knowledge can help sometimes if it helps you think of alternative possibilities that they're failing to consider. Like fresh water is locked up in the ice caps. It's frozen. It's not evenly distributed. And we know from general knowledge of the world that deserts have less water than coastal areas, right? So I'm thinking about in the Middle East, they say there's going to be wars there in the future over access to water specifically. So they're failing to consider that water is not evenly distributed, even if there's plenty of it available. And so that variation leads us to what?
B.
Yeah, B, exactly. It varies significantly from region to region. I also think about this a little bit like a hold-apart flaw. It's not quite exactly that, but I think about it along those lines. As a whole, there is lots of water available in the world. Therefore, every part of the world has enough water. The water is evenly distributed because they're saying it's uneven, meaning not every part is similar to every other part. There is variation. They are not all representative of the whole. So that could inform your understanding a little bit, but I think specifically they're just failing to consider variation. Not every part is identical.